Had such a busy morning, so fish finger sandwich it is. That is what I need. It's 12:20 now. Haven't eaten yet. So I brought Tommy a new cabin bed because his room's like a box room. That's what happens with third bedrooms down here. Expensive little room. Okay. So anyway, I brought him a cabin bed, you know, where it's like that and then nothing underneath, so he's got the whole floors. But anyway, so I went through that and then I thought, you know what, while he's at school today, I'm going to go through his toys and stuff. When I say this boy's got teddies, his obsessions is teddies. Some people's are truck stuff like that. Tommy's is teddies, okay? And when I say he's got loads, okay? Anywho, so I went through that and got rid of the ones that he doesn't use. Well, I don't think he'll notice. And it was like a box full. I'm not joking you. Anyway, and I was thinking, where can I get rid of this? Like, I don't want to be giving it away. Sometimes I feel like people take, I don't mind giving away stuff free. I really don't. However, I find sometimes people take stuff when they don't really need it, like on Facebook. So I was thinking, where the hell? So I ran Salvation Army and they were like, some cheese. And they were like, we only donate like new toys for like Christmas and stuff. I was like, oh, fair enough. So I went on Google and I looked at the charity shops near me. And I found one for hospice care, children hospice care. So I rang them and they took them. So I just went down there and dropped like a whole box full of cuddly toys, teddies, like a couple of toys. And yeah, I really want to give it to like the children that need it. Do you know what I mean? Or will like, do you know what I mean? Like, anyway, this is a new one. So yeah, I just dropped a load off down there. Not only happy. I love doing stuff like that. Do you know what I mean? Like if I'm fortunate enough to give stuff away for free and not need the money, then I want it to go to, oh, that went a bit weird, to nice stuff, to people, kids or animals, you know, that need it. It breaks my heart. Anyway, that's what I've done. Went to the dump, did some more stuff. Here I am eating this. How's your day been? How's your morning been? I feel really productive though. Do you know what I mean? Like I feel like bashed it out and I can have this, then have a coffee and just chill until I got to get the kids from school. Anyway, look at that. I'm sorry. Get that piece of hair out of the way. These are the chunky fish fingers. They're in a black box. It starts with G, I think. I can never remember the word. Hellmann's sent me a PR package. Thank you, by the way. But it was one squeezy bottle like that of Hellmann's, one jar of Hellmann's, and then one bottle of spicy ranch. That was cheese, by the way, not spit. I just can't deal with how good this is. Help! I don't ever learn, ever. Alright. Won't take long. Hear it? Coffee time. Whatever you're doing today, have a good day and remember to eat.